Hi there, it's Kevin with Roto Image. I'm here today to show you how to upload your Roto and your Pano files into any website using iframes. If you're not familiar with what iframes are, they're a great way of inlaying any video, images, website, and of course your Roto and Pano files. They can be added into any content management system, so they'll work for any type of website builder, Wix, WordPress, Squarespace. For this demo, I'm going to show you how to upload them into a Shopify account. So what we'll need are our Roto files, which I have up here, and a Shopify account. These particular Roto files, we are hosting. So you can see right here that we are hosting them. We offer both hosting services, or you can host these files yourself. So let's get to it. So sign into Shopify. So I just signed up for a little blanket Shopify account just to do this demo, so there's not any content on it. Not going to matter because it'll be a lot more intuitive actually once you do see your website and where you want each roto to live within your website. So to start off, I will show you how to upload a roto into any particular web page that you could have on any particular website. So you can view your website. As I mentioned, we don't have anything uploaded here, but let's say we wanted to upload rotos into the About Us page. So we want to add one right here. So to do that, we go into our editor here. As you can see, we want to go right under this. So what we'll need to do is get the roto into that, and the way we do that is we switch into the HTML view and we copy and paste the iframe into that with the specific URL for each roto that we're trying to upload. So I'll show you one at a time here. So this is some generic iframe code. Really, you do only need this part of it. So this is designating the width and the height of the iframe that you're trying to create. And this here is going to be your source. The rest of that stuff that I just deleted will come into play later. It doesn't matter if we leave it in there now. So if I wanted to upload this particular roto into that area of the website, I would just copy and paste the URL into this source here. So right now we have it set for 500 pixel height and width. So let's save that. And then we'll view it and see how it turned out here. And there you go. It's as easy as that. So that's how you get a single roto into a web page. So let's see if we wanted to add more rotos. We will go back into that HTML view and we can add another. So if you had another product or anything like that, you copy and paste the iframe code. So we can just use this code right above us. And instead of using this same source file, which we just used for the last roto, we're going to change that to a different roto file. So we will let's take this necklace here. And you just insert that into the source file. And so as we had before, this is 500 by 500, but let's say we wanted this width to extend out to the full page, out to here. So the beauty of iframes is they're very flexible, and there's lots and lots of tutorials online that could show you how to manipulate the iframes, but for this particular one, as I mentioned, we want that to go the full width of that page. So instead of having 500 pixels, we can just go to 100%. And then the height I was okay with. For this one, we'll leave it as 500, 500 just for demo purposes. Save that. And then we can view it. And there you go. There's your next roto in there. So it's easy as that. You can definitely upload a lot of rotos in a short amount of time. When we provide you the URLs, or if you're creating the URLs yourself, it's very, very easy to just define the URL and then switch out. You can copy and paste numerous times, and then just change out one number on each line, and your new rotos will pop in automatically. Easy as that. So we've had a lot of requests to see what rotos look like in the product section. So I'll show you a quick demo of that as well. So in my Shopify account, I do not have any products uploaded, so we're going to upload one right now. So we'll use this scanner as an example again. And then down here, just say and then, as we did in the other page, we're going to want to switch to this HTML. So instead of the standing version of the scanner here, let's throw in this multi-axis version so we can see all the angles of it. So we're going to want to use this URL code. So we're going to copy and paste that iframe code into, not the text editor. We want to make sure we switch into HTML, and the reason you'll know that you're in HTML is you'll see these brackets, which this indicates a new paragraph. The most common ones are going to be your paragraphs and your headers. So we're going to want to throw it underneath that title there. And then we want to grab this URL and insert it into the source there. And then we will test it out. As you can see here, your roto is uploaded into your online e-commerce website as a product. You can also throw in either just a blank image here or another roto. This is just the template that we had assigned for this tutorial, so every template's going to be different. Like say we wanted to see both the standing version of the roto and the 360, this one, three-dimensional. There are numerous ways we can do this. If for some reason you wanted both of them separate for different parts of your websites, then as we have provided in like this, we can do that, or we can stack them into one URL file. So I'll show you how to do it with having two separate rotos, but just for reference, we can include hotspots, we call them. So you can just click right here and it'll show you this one in this viewer. We also have the ability to add different titles and labels if you wanted to show your company logo down here or any other call to action. If we want to change this color, we wouldn't have to particularly use a different iframe. We can upload all of those into a single URL. But for this demo, I'm going to show you how to stack in two rotos into one iframe. So we're going to have to edit our text again here. So under that iframe, what we're going to do is basically insert a reference. So this is a hyperlink. This is just simple HTML code that'll hyperlink this second roto into the iframe of the first roto. So that's why we had this line of code here. We named that iframe just iframe A, and right now we have iframe A being targeted. We were calling that multi-axis, and then just if we wanted to give some people some direction of what they should do to interact with it, we can just throw this little saying underneath. Now let's see what that looks like. So we still have our 3D roto here of the scanner, which we'd called scanner 2. And to see the standing up version of it, scanner 1, we would just click that hyperlink which we had created here. So you should click it and everything should go well. So my mistake here is I had put scanner 2. So very, very simple edits. That's the beauty about iframe. And we should be good to go. Piece of cake. And that's how you do multiple different rotos into a single iframe if that's what you desire. Anyways, thanks for stopping in for this quick tutorial on Shopify. Please visit our website if you have any questions or any more comments. We look forward to getting more rotos onto your websites.